And this is the third launch. And first, we have to plug in this plug. See the plug, and push it in hard. And when the red light comes on, that means it's time to launch. See the red light, and make that you might want to go farther back, way farther back, and you do the countdown: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and press the button. How was that for a launch? Okay. And inside there's smoke. See the smoke? And that was the best launch yet.
Let me see.